Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Kakenhuan jong kipulit anti-narcotic task force jong ka East Khaïi Hills district. Kipalayo jong tiap kapapanya na kitinat sentiat hakajan mi jong ka khandai terik ulber arjar arpulai. Kila pelong ya ka jingkhanra ya ka wegi yeng hakasnong Lumsohphoh lowo mo prem. Hakabagilayo ban kurup arpho sunduk bat arpho tuli kitendong balat have you Drok. Wadan ka jingkhya ka ba arspa andrupu prapon nyupuwe gram. Nyau tuli ka mobile phone Henryolak Prapo Nyojar Shispa Sanpo Tengka ke Pisa Arpusan teli kitendong teli bat Henropo teli kiternya injek Hakabaya day bat kini Saungut ki Briew Bukentup argut kintay bat argut kishenrang Kila Shah kiamno haki pulit bat la register kiesru Halor kini ke jingja Shwa kini ki pulit kila pelong ya ke jing up ketem Kila ya obat ya Wei Briew Hajan ka office jong ka Khaïi Hills Autonomous District Council Shillong Ba ya kurup ru hadu santeli ki senduk balat have you Drok ubudan ke jingkhya 100.0 gram arteli ki mobile phone bat kawi ke kali
out of 4, 2 ladies were lactating. They are lactating mothers, I think.
One is nursing mother, sir.
One is lactating mother and another is normal. So these photographs are basically it's evident from these photographs about the involvement of the ladies here. So ladies basically they are very active as far as the supply of drugs are concerned. Sometimes they store at their own houses, sometimes they supply at the different points. So this is the photograph of last night raid, and you can see the cash. There it is visible. The cash, nearly 7 lakh rupees cash, and the 7 number of mobile phones, and the heroin packed in the soap cases. So these kinds of the involvements are there. If you want to elaborate their names and other things, you can. Names is not necessary.
I'll just elaborate, sir.
Elaborate about the incidents.
Yes, team of Shillong. Yesterday, 2 operations were conducted. In one of the earlier operations, the seizure was 68 grams. That was in the afternoon. And in further continuation of the operation, the last night it was the operation concluded in the late night. The team raided in the area of Lower Moprem, Lumsohphoh, Shillong, and the seizure is as follows: 20 soap box cases, 20 vials containing heroin of total weight of 268.71 grams, and 7 number of mobile phones were seized. A cash of 6,87,150 has been seized. 25 empty vials, 60 syringes from the possession of 2 male and 2 female, out of which, as DG sir mentioned, one of the lady is a nursing mother. So all the 4 people have been arrested and the case is under further investigation. Total accused are one person arrested, and from his possession 5 soap boxes of heroin weighing 66.46 grams were seized, 2 mobile phones seized. Also one Hyundai Eon car also has been seized in this connection. This was caught near the back gate of KHADC office, Moprem area. Again it is also Lower Moprem, Shillong. This was yesterday afternoon. The second operation was from evening to late night.
Syringes are recovered. This indicates that injectable heroin users are increasing in Ceylon, and that is very dangerous because it may cause AIDS also. So, in every raid, invariably 40 to 50 to 60 syringes are also recovered. So, this is real cause of concern for all of us.